banana, basket, baloney, boulder, balloon. You know, there are lots of things that begin with the B sound. Can you give me a B sound?
B.
Beautiful. Hey, what do we have here? Take a look at these 3 toys Z picked out. One of these toys starts with the B sound. Can you find the toy that begins with the B sound? Is it this car?
No.
Well, what about this wagon?
No.
Well, then maybe it's this boat.
Yes.
You are simply the best when it comes to the B sound. Do you know what else is simply the best? Connie the Cow is coming up soon. Hello there, my cuddly comrades. Z and I are so excited because Miffy and her friends are going to the zoo. I hear that Miffy is especially excited about seeing the new baby zebra. Personally, I can't wait to see the lions. And as you might imagine, my pal Z is rather partial to penguins. You can see all your favorite animals when you tag along with Miffy and her friends on their zoo-rific adventure.
Hooray! It's a special trip your preschooler won't want to miss. Watch the Miffy Goes to the Zoo special all week long. Only on Noggin.
Did you know that one of my very favorite things starts with the B sound? It's not butter. It's not beagles, beans, or burnt toast. No, it's this bird standing right here by me. Connie the Cow is next.